Alright, so we're back. So what we're doing today is we're trying to repair or fix this Aquanaut 200. Let's see if you guys can see the Aquanaut 200. We're just going to take a look inside and make sure there's nothing stuck in there. It wasn't suctioning up very well, and the vacuum hose was kind of getting a kink in it, and I think it kept getting a kink in it because something might have been stuck in here or something might have been lodged in there. So I'm going to wiggle it around a little bit. I'm going to open it up just to check, and I'm going to show you guys how to open this bad boy. It's basically got some screws right in there. We're going to pop out those little screws. We want to make sure that this head here flows freely, and so everything looks okay so far. Let's unscrew this here, and let's see when we can pop this out and take a look inside. Wow, that screw is really long. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. All right, let's take out the other side here. Get that screw right out of there. Good. All right, let's take a look inside. Oh, there's one more screw in there. I don't know if you guys can see that other. One more screw right there, so we got to get that out there too. So I'm just troubleshooting and making sure that the vacuum is clean. Check the hose, and the hose looks fine. We just want to make sure there's no rocks or anything stuck in this part of it. There we go. Let's see what, oh, would you look at that? All right. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Look at that. There was a rock right there, and it was stuck. See if I can hold this steady for you guys. Can you see? See the rock? Yeah, that's what was stuck in there. So let's dislodge this rock. Look at that. It was a piece of stone. You guys can see it, but a little piece of stone that was lodged in there. And there you go, let's toss that out of there. And now these little leads here can turn. While we're in here, we're gonna clean this stuff out. Oh man, we got down to the bottom of it. I knew there was something wrong with it. I'm not very handy, I've never opened anything like this up before, but I'm trying out new things. I'm quarantined, so I got time for everything now. All right, so let's clean this out. And wow, I gotta move down that rock. Yep, you can see that chip. So I bet you this chip came from, let me show you guys what the pool looks like. When you look at this here, the stone, it's probably this stone right here because the waterfall is going over and down. So it's probably chipping this stone right there and it's going down in there. If you look, the color of the stone, I don't know if you guys know, the shadow probably won't let you see the color. But the color of that stone, it's pretty much exactly the same. So it's this stone here going in there and it got sucked up into my pool vacuum. That's why my pool vacuum wasn't working. So the bottom of my pool got dirty. You can't see it from up here, but if you look real close in there, there's some dirty spots. I like really, really clear blue water. My wife is very particular about how clean I have this pool. And I do it all myself, so, yeah, look at it. There it is. Man. All right, so we figured that out, and let's piece this thing back together. And man, that is a great find. I'm glad I found that because I wouldn't know what to do next if I hadn't found that. So I'm pretty excited right now. That is freaking neat. And trust me, if you see any of my other channels, or I think I only have a couple things posted, I am not handy at all. Like, not even a little bit. Like, for me to pull out the screwdriver, this means a lot. Okay, so let's put these screws back in. Wow, we found it. I can't believe that. Screw this guy right back where we had it. And definitely celebrate because we found that dang piece of stone there. Now, on a side note, I don't know how much more time I'm going to have for projects like this because quarantine's about to end. We're here in Texas, and you know, Texas, nobody wants to be quarantined. Nobody wants to be quarantined here, and they voice their opinion about it. I don't know how it is with the area where you guys are in, but in Texas, they're going to, man, they'll start a revolution over here to keep everybody quarantined. They just won't stand for it. And so I'm kind of happy about it, and ready to go back to work and ready to go. Honestly, what I really want is I just want to sit down somewhere and I want someone to ask me, hey, sir, what can I get started for you? That's how, oh, man, I didn't put it in right, so I got to screw that back out. Man, I should have used a power tool for this. Yeah, I think I'm going to use a power tool next time because that's a long screw. I was just kind of cautious because it's plastic. But you know what, guys, let me get my power screwdriver here and I'll be right back, okay? Talk amongst yourselves. Alright, so, I don't know if you guys remember this from my other video, but I just literally learned how to use this thing. I can't say that I fully know how to use it, but I can say that I can screw this in. And tighten that up. Sweet. And let's screw this in because I'm not going to be here all day, so put in some screws. Awesome, look at that, it goes right down. Good. Alright, let's get the other one in there. Start her off with this. Great. There it goes. Let's get it in there. There it goes. There it goes. All right, there, we're in. So let's go hook it up to the pool pump. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hook it back up. We'll drop it in slow. Down, drop it in real slow. There he goes, he's moving. Nice what you can do when you have a little bit of time on your hands. Alright guys, that's it for that video. Hopefully that helps somebody out. And we'll post that up and, let me know what you think.